Alright guys, so the wait is over. This video is over the new Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint collection, now available exclusively at Target. Starting with the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil in the collection, they've added on shampoo, styling cream, edge gel, and also the hair mask. Before shampooing, you always want to start off on detangled hair. So grabbing the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. This is great for dry, weak, brittle hair, and always make sure when shampooing you want to focus on your scalp. And what's good looking hair when it's not healthy, right? My hair was left so manageable after using the shampoo, so I'm now moving on to the Strengthening Hair Mask. This mask literally like melted in my hair, which is a good thing. It's definitely hydrating and strengthening all at once. A lot of you say you struggle with dry hair. Try deep conditioning at least once a week. And then I sat under a hooded dryer for 20 minutes. So now moving on to lightly blown out hair, it is time for the Rosemary Mint Multivitamin Daily Styling Cream. Now let me tell you, this styling cream is genius. Don't sleep on it because you think it's a cream. It's actually a double duty gel at the same time. It just does not come in the form as to look like a gel, but this is awesome with taming frizz and also still moisturizing the hair. When I tell you that this is powerful, but good powerful, it really is. This is one of my favorite products out of the line. You can achieve so many styles with this product. And for me today, I'm going to do a twist and curl. I recently got my hair cut and I wanted to try a twist and curl again to see what it would look like. So I went ahead and two-strand twist and left a little bit of the hair out toward the ends, and I rolled it up on a pink perm rod. After blowing out my hair, I may look like Angelica Cynthia doll from the Rugrats, but my transformation is epic. Now I'm going to continue using the styling cream for my two-strand twist. I'm going to leave some of the hair out toward the ends and wrap it around the pink perm rod. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next section. Now I'm all about good looking hair, but I'm more so about healthy hair. So good looking hair times healthy hair is so much better than just having good looking hair. And that's what this line is about, healthy hair. It's infused with biotin and encourages growth. Now once I've completed adding all my perm rods, you can sleep in this overnight or you can sit under a hooded dryer. I opted to sleep in them overnight. So the definition from this styling cream was so crazy. I had to give you guys a closer look. My hair looks so rich and so healthy and so defined. Moving on to the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. This is great for preventing scalp dryness, smooths split ends. It also helps support length retention. This is great for all protective styles, including braids and weaves and chemically treated hair as well. I don't know about y'all, but when my hair is at its healthiest, I feel so much more empowered, so much more confident. And when somebody compliments my hair, I feel 10 times better because I know my hair is at its healthiest state. So make sure that you are focused on healthy hair, not just good looking hair, because that's what matters. My edges have been going through it lately, and I love how the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel not only tames unruly edges, but it also looks out for you for healthy edge growth. So if you're using an edge brush, make sure that you are not too hard on your edges. It may look like I was a little too heavy-handed on my edges, but I was definitely not too heavy-handed on my edges. Grabbing some bobby pins, I'm just going to pin my sides up and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair on the sides out. To complete the style, I'm going to go ahead and grab my pick and give it some volume. And voila, we are complete. I love my style. I love my hair. And if you want to get your hands on this collection as well, it is now exclusively available at Target. And until next time, Queens, I hope you get the same results or even better.